Mount Rainier, also known as Tacoma, is Washington's highest peak. Its summit, over 14,000 feet high, is home to 26 major glaciers, the most of any mountain in the lower 48 states. Part of the Great Pacific Ring of Fire, this active stratovolcano lies only 60 miles from downtown Seattle. And due to its extremely high probability of eruption in the near future, it is considered by many to be one of the most dangerous volcanoes on Earth. It is the highest mountain in the Cascade Range that spans from Northern California into British Columbia.